All right, you guys, we have Dr. Andrew Wolin, my favorite plastic surgeon in the house.
Hi, boys and girls. Today we have my favorite patient, Jules.
So I should have addressed this long ago, but my ear holes. Do your ear holes hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? So we are going to fix this. It's not a big deal, right?
It's not a big deal, right? It's an easy deal. A little bit of local anesthetic. It's easier than having your teeth cleaned.
Good, I like that.
And sometimes we have a special where we clean the teeth and we do the earlobes.
Today we're just going to do the earlobes. And by the way, we did an ultrasound on my implants because, as I told you, they are not real. I mean, they are real. I own them, so they're mine.
They're yours. They're real.
They're mine. And guess what? I got an A+. They still look great.
A++.
A++. All right, so we're going to do these. So he numbed them, so they look a little, and I think there's marker on them. So we make sure we do the right ears. I don't know what other ears we would do.
We can do the fourth ear. Yeah,
All right, I feel like I've been watching The Resident. Dr. Wolin, have you seen that TV show?
I think I did see that show. Resident. The Resident? No, The Doctor.
No, this one's The Resident. But anyways, I've been obsessed with it. Now I feel like I'm in The Resident.
Oh, yeah. Well, maybe.
I'm all sterile.
Yeah, all right.
Scalpel.
No, you know what? We're going to do this in the dark. We're good. Turn your head to the side.
Here we go.
Here we go.
No Bovie, right?
In the dark.
No,
I don't think I'm not gonna look. I am not gonna look.
Yeah, I'm
and
not
you
gonna
guys
look
might
either.
need
No, I'm not looking either. We're in the total dark.
He can do. He's been doing this for so long. He can do it blindfolded.
Yeah,
We can do it blindfolded. All right.
Do you need a brown?
Yeah, what have you got in there?
What about these? Would you like those?
Yeah,
Okay.
why don't you open them both?
Take them
That'll be
both.
fantastic. That'll be great.
Here's your warning. Look away. Look
Look
away.
Dixieland, look away.
Awesome.
See what we got here. So, let's see what we can do here.
Beautiful.
What we're going to do is try to pair the edge in the inside without taking too much of it out. So when we close it, it won't have a dog ear. It won't have a little.
That's nice.
A little excess. We aren't going to put dog ears on you.
No thanks.
And we're going to try to keep you just as beautiful as you are.
Aw.
Yeah, no dog ear. No mini poos, mini pinks, pinky poos.
Mm-hmm. You know, it's the crunching that's the hard part here.
Yeah, you
I
can hear that.
agree.
It's like when you're getting injected. You hear it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is it that hard to cut?
Oh, it's like
It's tough
crunchy.
skin. Yeah.
It's so gross.
It's crunchy. Actually, I got a backing on it. So I'm not just cutting your ear. I'm going right down into the sponge. It's better than going into my finger.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
It's crunchy for sure. All right, let's see what kind of crunchies we get out of that.
Blech. And now we sew?
So no, now we don't sew. Now what we've done is we've paired the edges.
Mm-hmm. This is so gross. And I'm not even watching.
Me too.
So now what are we doing?
Now we're taking out that little ring of skin. See that? You can see. Can you see it there? Where you see it here? Here, look through here. See?
Ugh.
She's got
I didn't want to open my eyes.
She's got a gauge going on.
I could have a gauge.
Yeah.
Maybe I should have opted for that. I should have just done a gauge.
Yeah, the gauge would have been easier. So now what we've created.
I was thinking like I should just get like a diamond gauge.
Now we got a perfect little hole
One
here.
giant diamond.
And now we sew?
And now we sew. And
Okay.
let's see if we can sew this. I want to get it so you can't see the edge.
You know how many surgeries I've had, Dr. Wolin, right?
Well, I lost. You know, remember,
You lost track after
Avogadro's number. Remember Avogadro's number 10 to the 23rd.
Yeah.
That's you.
Yeah, that's me. But this one was giving me a lot of anxiety.
Yeah, Avogadro said the same thing.
Yeah. This is like the easiest surgery I think I've ever had, and yet it was giving me the most anxiety.
Yeah. Sometimes the littlest things get you.
Yeah.
They're so sensitive.
Well, it's just kind of gross. You know what? I don't really like, I don't know.
PDS. There we go.
There you go.
Let's just see whether we
I
can
have a
get
single
a
thing
nice
on
little
the other
piece.
Are you using gold thread?
Only for you. Pick up single tube.
Single thing.
So we're only going to show you one side because obviously it'll be the same on the other. But if you have ugly earlobes that you've worn too heavy of earrings, because everybody I talk to is like, oh, I need to do that too. It's outpatient. There's, you know, I'm in his office doing this in his surgery room. Easy cheesy. talking to you. You're watching this while we do it.
Let's see if we have a good bite here. You know?
And for all of your other plastic surgical needs, he is seriously my go-to.
Let's see what we got here.
And in about 2 months, I can get re-pierced and be good to go in a different location.
Exactly. Probably a different location. Probably California.
Don't make me laugh. How about just north of the incision?
Oh, just north of the incision? Yeah, you can go east, west, north, south.
Yeah.
Well, you can choose any cardinal we like.
All right, good.
We can see what we got here. Let's see. Oh, that may work.
There's
Is that it?
No, that's only the deep stitch.
Oh, there's more.
Yeah. So I want one deep stitch to kind of line things up.
And then you go over the top for the plastic.
Yeah, I'll go over the top to get the edges to kiss, because this will keep it closed.
And then you guys, I just wear steri strips on it, so you won't even notice it with my hair long.
so.
What we women do to stay beautiful and be able to wear jewelry and all the things.
I agree. I say that every day.
Yeah, as you deal with these women. Hey, are you getting men in here for plastic surgery?
Not many earlobe corrections, but yeah. More breast dogs, but not earlobe corrections. Yeah.
What are the men doing?
I bet about 5% of the people.
What are the men doing? Facelifts?
Most of the guys, yeah, most of the guys who are, over 50, I don't know about that. The guys who are probably over 60 are the facelifts. The guys who are over 40 and 50 are the eyelids. Young guys, rhinoplasties, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rhinoplasty is a lot, noses are a big thing.
Yeah.
Because that really does a tremendous amount to change your facial proportions and your form.
Oh, heck yeah.
And eyelids, I'm very, very conservative with guys, because if you operate on guys' eyes, you can easily get them to look like
Weird?
very weird.
Like Mr. Rogers, Kenny
Yeah,
Rogers.
Like Kenny Rogers.
Yeah.
You can really screw them up. I'd rather see guys with extra skin on the upper lids and not too
Well, plus
much
it's more
room.
natural for men to look that way.
I agree. So I'm very conservative with that. When they come in and say, yeah, I think I need my eyes, and I said, not unless you want to really look strange, you don't need to do it.
Really
So
changes.
I'll do that, and then...
This looks really good.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good.
I'm like Frankenstein's wife.
Okay, I think you're good.
All right, you guys, we're going to do the other side on our own. If you have any plastic surgery inquiries, come on in and see Dr. Andrew Wolin.
Come on in. We're open all the time. You get a burger, a fry, and you get your ears done. It's perfect.
Or your boobs,
Your boobs.
or your face.
Yeah.
Fat transfer. He's incredible at fat transfer. And stay tuned because I'm going to make him come on my show.
Okay, bye guys.